So to start the brake hose, there's a fitting right there, right at the top. So, and what you want is, this is a flare nut wrench. So it's got the slot in it. It's a 10 millimeter for the Corolla. So what this allows you to do is to put it over the metal brake line and then down around the nut. So, and then there we go. I'll just get it broken loose and just break it just to get the initial, get it initially loose. And then down here on the back of the caliper is a 14 millimeter bolt, and just trying to break that loose. Oh, there we go. Whew, that one's on there. Okay, there we go. Now they're both cracked, so now they're loose. So you will get brake fluid all over the place here when you're changing a hose. So I just put down an old rag, that old towel I don't care about, and that way it'll drip onto it. So you don't want to get it on actual painted surfaces, so because that will destroy the paint. So you can see the little tab right there. So you'll pop that off. There's a little slot in the hose that allows you that to go into and to help secure it into the tab. So, and then the only other thing that that I loosened is right there, and you can see where the hose, that little piece, metal piece on the hose, that goes right into the bolt right there. And that was just a small, I believe a 12 millimeter bolt that holds that on. So, but anyway, need both my hands, so I'm gonna go ahead and loosen the two connectors, and then we'll slap the new hose on. Okay, so I broke this loose, and then I just unscrewed it by hand. You can see that right there, and I took the little clip off. I just use a screwdriver with leverage and pop it off. So, and now this whole hose here can come out. So then we go down here, and we got this hose. It's dripping down there, so take that bolt out. There we go. Hose pisses all over the place. There we go. Hose is out. Just drop that down there. There we go. So now we'll just connect the new hose up, and we'll be in business. All right. So brake hose is connected there. Clip this back on. On that, it runs down and around. And the new brake lines came with a new little clip. It was already around the brake hose, so you can see the bolt there that goes into there. It also goes through a little hole for the speed sensor wire there. So, and that just rests right there. You can see the little metal piece that goes up and over. So then that comes down and around and bolts into, the back of the caliper. So now that is all connected. So now we just need to bleed the brakes. We'll do that. I got to change the two rear brake hoses first, so that's up next. Okay. Step two, now that the front brakes are done and the brake lines are in, so now here's the rear brake line, just a little small one. Goes from right here to right here. So both sides of this have little clips on it, just like on the one side on the front. So first of all, we need to take those clips off. both sides, and then with our flare nut wrench, loosen those. This will pop right out. Put the new one in, tighten everything up, and away we go. So shouldn't be too hard. So I'll start on that. So got the brake line installed. So it clips into here. Here's the clip that you put back on. There's a little line that goes all the way around it that it clips into on the new brake line. So, and there it is on that side, all snugged up. So that side's ready to go. So last corner, on we go. Did the right side, same as the left driver's side, so that's all installed. So now, need to come around here and bleed the brakes. So, right there it is. So, all right, we'll get that set up.